everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Target gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To use a Target gift card online, first open up a web browser and log into your Target.com account. Type in the URL www.target.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you are logged into your Target.com account. Once you're inside, you can easily use your gift card as a method of payment while checking out with a product online. So go ahead and select a product you'd like to shop and add it on your shopping bag. Once you are done adding it in the shopping bag, click open the shopping bag at the top right hand corner, and now proceed to the checkout page by clicking on the checkout button on the right hand side after everything's okay with the order. Enter the information such as your shipping address, and right where it says payment, you'll need to enter your payment information. If you want to use a gift card for this purchase, then simply click on this add a link right next to gift card and enter a Target gift card number in the text box. Once you are done entering the card number available on your Target gift card, enter the access number available in the card itself. Remember that your access number is 8-digit long. After you are done entering all of the information, click on the apply button in order to apply your gift card balance in this particular purchase. That is how you can easily use Target gift card online whenever you are making a purchase online with Target.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.